In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Mysterium VPN on your PC. But before we start, if you just want a fast, stable, and simple VPN that works every single time, I highly recommend NordVPN. It has thousands of ultra-fast servers, strong encryption, and works perfectly for streaming, gaming, and privacy. There's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN at a great price, so check that out before we begin. Now let's get into Mysterium. To download it, open your browser and go to the official Mysterium VPN website. Once you're on the site, look for the download options and click on the Windows version. The installer will begin downloading immediately. When it finishes, open the setup file and follow the installation steps on your screen. It only takes a minute, and after that, the app will automatically open. Once Mysterium is installed, here's how to connect and start using it. Open the Mysterium VPN app on your PC and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll see a long list of nodes you can connect to. These nodes are basically individual users around the world who share their internet connection, and you can route your traffic through them. Choose a node based on the location you want, then click Connect. The app will create an encrypted tunnel for you. To confirm everything is working, just check your new IP address in your browser. If you face any restrictions or something doesn't load properly, try switching to another node because speeds and stability vary a lot. And if your ISP is blocking VPN connections, you may need to adjust your network settings or use a different protocol depending on what's available. Since Mysterium is decentralized, it has some downsides. You often need cryptocurrency for payments. Some nodes can be extremely slow, and certain websites or streaming platforms might not work smoothly. That's why many people prefer something stable and consistent like NordVPN, where you don't deal with random speeds or complicated setups. If you want a VPN that's fast, simple, and reliable, check the link in the description and try NordVPN at a great price.